Hi, my name's Anson Bui, and I am a senior trial attorney at Cohn and Swartzon. We do personal injury law here. If you're involved in an accident and initially at the scene you feel like you don't have any type of pain, or maybe you feel like, oh, I don't feel too bad right now, just understand that for the most part, that's natural because people that just went through with some type of traumatic event like an accident, they're going to have a lot of shock and adrenaline rushing through their body. So during that time frame, you may not notice a lot of things. You may not notice that your neck feels a little off or your back feels a little off. And so it's not until maybe later that night, or maybe the next morning, you start feeling something. So it's really important that you don't discount that right away. If you're at the scene of the accident and you feel a little something, you think it's going to go away, it may not. But I think the best thing to do would be to get checked out. Make an appointment with your primary care doctor, go to an urgent care, do whatever's necessary to follow up with a specialist or a doctor to make sure that you're okay. And after you've done that, then you can give us a call and you can let us know how you're doing. We could talk about your case. We can give you your options of what you can do. Option A, option B, option C. It's up to you on what you want to do. But give us a call and we'll help you with that. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Anson Bui. I'm a senior trial attorney at Cohn and Swartzon. Please reach out to us if you have any car accidents or if you suffer a personal injury. We're here to help you.